finding your passion, started as a cliche in 2000, early 2000, and now it's really a cliche. So our graduation speaker last year, Ayanna Johnson, who's a activist, she started the Blue New Deal as well as the Green New Deal. She said, I'm not going to tell any of you to follow your passion. What I am going to say to you in this world is find a problem, find a need, and affix your passion to it, which I think is so much better in terms of creating meaning and purpose. Because the world needs you. I used her quote and then said to our undergraduates in convocation just last week, the number one question you should be asking is, how does the world need me? Because the world needs you. There's no question about it. But how does the world need you is the question that will give you a sense of purpose and meaning, as well as a sense of where your talents can best fit in the world. We don't have the luxury anymore of, hey, maybe I'll be part of the public square, maybe I won't. No, you got to, in order for democracy to survive. Hey, maybe I will address the environment. That's a cool career. No, it has to be everyone, all hands on deck. So those are the kinds of things that I think the way you shape your initial educational questions then can translate into an immediate invitation for purposeful dreaming, the way Toni Morrison talks about it. And so I find that a better way to engage with questions of meaning, rather than, hey, you're here to explore, find your purpose, find your meaning. All of that is great, and all of that is absolutely true, but it doesn't get at the urgency of why a sense of purpose needs to be part and parcel of everything that our undergraduates do.